I'm going to share with you a hearty, flavorful Sri Lankan breakfast, Rava Uppuma. It's light, wholesome, and packed with goodness. Trust me, your taste buds are about to take a delicious trip to Sri Lanka. And to make it even better, I'm bringing today fresh flavors straight from my garden into the kitchen. Check out these vibrant green chilies, freshly picked and ready to bring the heat. And these beautiful homegrown curry leaves. They add that unmistakable Sri Lankan aroma to any dish. Oh, and let's not forget the star of the spice world, fresh ginger, packed with warmth and flavor. It's going to give this dish, Rava Uppuma, that extra zing. Now, let's get cooking. The key ingredient in today's cooking, rava or semolina. I'm using here the coarse variety. These are all the ingredients you need for today's recipe. All right, I know what you're thinking. Whoa, that's a lot of ingredients. But trust me, when you break it down, these are just your everyday kitchen staples. Nothing fancy. They are basic cooking ingredients in most kitchens. We have got rava or semolina, some chopped onions, fresh curry leaves for that burst of aroma, green chilies for a little heat, and of course, ginger. Because what's an upuma without a little zing? Oh, not forgetting the two dals, chana dal and urad dal, for that perfect nutty crunch. Now for the veggies, potatoes, carrots and cabbage, finely grated, because we love a good texture in our upuma. Alright, let's turn all these ingredients into something magical. A healthy, aromatic and downright delicious Rava Uppuma. Get ready, friends, for a kitchen full of amazing smells and a breakfast that is as comforting as it is tasty. Grab a pan and heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's nice and hot, in goes the talipu, a powerhouse mix of mustard seed, fenugreek, cumin, urad dal and fennel. Just a tablespoon of this magic and boom, my kitchen already smells amazing. When the mustard seeds start doing their little crackling dance, toss in 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Stir for a minute or two. Then add 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Give them a quick stir and let them turn a lovely golden brown. Next up, onions. In they go, sizzling away for about a minute. Now, let's turn up the flavor dial. Add green chilies, curry leaves, and that zingy fresh ginger. Give everything a good mix. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of salt and let it all cook for about 2 minutes until the onions turn beautifully translucent. And just like that, the base of our Rava Uppuma is now packed with flavor. Now it's time to put together the rest of the ingredients to make a hearty breakfast meal. First, in go the grated carrots, then the grated potatoes. Let them soak up all those amazing flavors in the pan. Give everything a good stir and let them cook for a minute or two. Next up, chopped cabbage. Toss it in and let it sizzle. Watch this dish come to life with color and texture. It's like a mini veggie celebration in your pan. Now we are almost there and it's time to add 2 cups of water. Increase the heat. Cover the pan. Allow the vegetables to cook. When the water boils, all the veggies will soften up beautifully. Now for the final step and the most important, adding roasted rava. But wait, don't just dump it in. Slowly sprinkle the rava in while stirring constantly. Keep that spoon moving or you might end up with a clumpy situation. And nobody wants that. You will see the mixture thicken up almost instantly. This means we are on the home stretch. Once all combined, keep stirring the mixture continuously. At this stage, the Rava Uppuma has a great tendency to stick to the bottom. For the final touch, turn the heat to low. Cover the pan and let the rava cook through for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now stir and loosen up the Rava Uppuma so it becomes soft and crumbly. Warm, hearty and so delicious, Rava Uppuma is now ready to serve. A nourishing breakfast. Simple, flavorful and totally satisfying. Uppuma can be eaten plain or with some chutney or pickle. Honestly, I prefer eating uppuma plain just as it is. Now, let me tell you how this rava uppuma tastes. My honest opinion. Oh, wow! This is pure comfort food. The chana dal and the urad dal give it a lovely bite, just the right amount of crunch. Then we have got the carrots, potatoes and cabbage bringing in that soft, hearty texture, making every spoonful so satisfying. And now about the flavor, the magic of thalipu, the onions, ginger, mixed spices, curry leaves and green chilies. They all come together beautifully, giving this uppuma that warm, fragrant and slightly spicy kick. Every spoonful is comforting, fragrant and just packed with goodness. Honestly, who knew something this simple could taste this amazing? It's light but filling, simple yet packed with flavor. That's all my friends for today's video. And if you are still watching, you're officially my favorite person. Do not tell the others.